New year, new beginnings, maybe a brand new TV to level up your home viewing? Meet the Samsung QLED Q60D 4K Smart TV, and here's what I really like about it. Ang number one na tinitingnan ng Pinoy kapag bumibili ka ng bagong TV based on my experience is if maganda yung panel and kaya niyang mag-deliver ng action-packed games or blockbuster movies with unmatched performance and picture quality. So this is Samsung's answer to that. Hindi naman bago ang QLED, but it's now becoming more affordable compared to how it was launched just a few years ago. For those na hindi masyadong familiar, QLED is the term for Samsung's quantum dot LEDs, their next level technology for displays. Quantum dots are semiconductors na maliliit that produce precise colors ensuring accurate and vibrant visuals. Legit, real QLED tech, kaya naman sure na worth it yung experience. The result? Brighter whites, deeper blacks, more clarity. It's all thanks to those real quantum dots. And whether it's day or night, Samsung TVs maintain true to life colors no matter the brightness. HDR to, may Pantone validation na rin siya, so you'll always get actual depths, realistic, well-calibrated colors right from the get-go. Hindi rin magpapatalo ang sound quality. There's the Q Symphony technology that allows both TV and soundbar ng Samsung to operate simultaneously for a more immersive audio experience, combined with OTS Live for audio tracking for that more spatial soundscape, at saka adaptive na rin yung audio niya for more optimization. May auto low latency mode din ng game bar to tweak the TV when you are playing your favorite games on your console or your PC. Samsung's own Tizen OS brings all the smart features you need so you can enjoy smooth streaming with smart features tailored to your lifestyle. Right from the get-go, may apps na lang install na dito so you don't have to find them everywhere. Pipindutin mo na lang sila sa remote and you're good to go. Meron ding quick shortcut buttons right at the Samsung remote if you just want a quick night of Netflix or YouTube so you can chill. Kung ayaw mo naman ng apps na kagaya nun, there's also the Samsung TV Plus, which gives you more than 20 IP channels that you can watch live from your TV. You can also directly control the TV through the Samsung SmartThings app. Pwede mo doon i-check yung status ng TV mo, mag-launch ka ng apps doon. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin remote control or keyboard kung kailangan. At syempre, hindi rin magpapatalo yung design ng TV. It's sleek, it's slim, and it's going to blend right into your home with its brush back and its simple stand. Pwede mo rin siya ikabit sa wall through a bracket for a more blended experience. Samsung's QLED TVs are also cadmium-free, making them safer for you and your environment. Kaya naman kung kailangan mo na bagong TV ngayong New Year kagaya ko, you can get up to 38% off on these. Plus, may kasama pa yung Disney Plus annual premium plan until March 31, 2025 when you get your own brand new Samsung QLED Smart TV. May trade-up offers din sila where you can get more discounts if you turn over your old TV. And this is your real QLED experience right here. You can get a Samsung QLED TV online at samsung.com/ph or pwede ka rin mag-visit sa mga nearest appliance dealers sa'yo to check out what Samsungs have in store for you.